All right. So I just grabbed this order. It popped up as $8 guaranteed for 4.5 miles. And it said 9 items. Or was it 8 items? 8 or 9 items. So I think this is a unicorn because of the restaurant that it's from. 8 or 9 items, man. You're spending a nice amount of money. And if you tip 10%, then I definitely would make more than $8. But you never know. It could be a no tip thing going on here, man, or a little tiny tip. You never know. But these are just my predictions, man. I'm out here hunting unicorns. So let's get it. I'm about to pick it up right now and then drop it off, and I'll share the results with y'all. All right, let's get it. So after dropping that off, we see that was a unicorn. Instead of $8, I got 28. So that is nice because it was only 4 miles. That was beautiful. It's really only 2 miles away from the restaurant. When I typed it in the GPS, it said 2.2 miles. That was beautiful. And then right after I dropped it off, I got a $16 order. I'm about to do that right now. So that's gonna put me at a $40 an hour. So, all right, y'all. This is how we hunt unicorns. You gotta pay attention to the items and what restaurant it's coming from. If they're spending a lot of money, then they might tip pretty good. You know what I mean? That's what I'm basing this off of. That's how I base my predictions. You know what I'm saying? That people might tip good. They might tip 10%, or they might tip 20%. You know what I mean? Off of a big order like that, you know what I'm saying? They spending over $100. You know what I'm saying? I thought, you know, I could have just got $8 from that. You know, I would have been okay because it was only a 4-mile delivery. It didn't take long at all. If I could do 3 of those in an hour and make $24 that hour, that'd be good. But it was a unicorn, like I thought. And I normally don't take $8 orders anymore. You know, I used to take $7 orders and try to do 3 in an hour, but now I up my ante. So I don't take anything less than $10 an hour, and then around dinner time, I don't take anything less than 14. So that's my new goal, my new plan for every day. Especially today is Friday. So let's get it, y'all, man. Back out here hunting unicorns. That was my first order of the day too. So that's great. Let's get it.